Teacher Alvin, your MAPEH teacher. MAPEH, pinalanggaon na guro. For today's video, we're gonna talk about elements and design of printing. Get your ballpen and your notebook and take down notes, all the important details about the topics. Let's go!
Teacher Alvin TV. Please subscribe and share.
Before we start, we will have our sample review. Directions: answer the questions below for you to find out. State true if the statement is fact, and false if the statement is not true. Number 1. The ancient people used cave walls as the canvas for these arts. Okay, the answer is right. The answer is true. Next, number 2. These colors were used by the ancient people made from grounded plants and trees that has natural colors. Yes, another true. Number 3, the visual components of arts can be seen in its principles. Yes, another true. Next, number 4, this is the means that an artist uses to organize elements within a work of art. Again, another true. And number 5, this is a printing technique which involved from Japanese stenciling. Yes, this is another true. Children, have you ever wondered where art had come from? Have you ever asked yourself why everything you see around you are placed in a manner which is pleasing to the eye? Our lesson for today is all about elements and design of printing. Of course, we will have our stencil. Hand stencils were made by cavemen by blowing natural colored pigment over a hand held against a wall. Our number 2 is seals. Ancient Chinese used seals to stamp over melted wax. The seals had religious purposes, used as healing devices by impressing therapeutic characters onto the flesh of sick people. Europeans used seals to imprint their company, institutional or family logos. They used clay mold called casting, poured with molten metals. When the metal hardens, it is removed from the clay molds by breaking it. The result is the metal mold of the seal. Number 3, we have woodblock printing. Woodblock printing, also known as xylography today, is the first ever recorded method of printing. It became widely used for paper and textile printing. It uses engraved woodblock blocks. Number 4, metal block movable printing. Metal movable type appeared in the late Japanese era. It was used to print banknotes and official documents. Copper block print has square holes for embedding movable characters such that each printed paper money had a different combination of markers for preventing counterfeit. This is the examples of metal block movable printing, as you can see in the picture. Next, we have the flatbed printing press. A printing press is a mechanical device applying pressure to an ink surface, thereby transferring an image. Developed by Germans, it replaced the metal block printing. It became the sole modern movable type of printing that was used for mass consumption. Number 6, lithography. Invented by a Bavarian author. It has a method on printing on a smooth surface. It uses a chemical process to create image. There is a positive image to which the ink clings to and the clean side becomes the negative. High volume lithography is used today to produce posters, maps, books, newspaper, and packaging. Number 7, we have the screen printing. Screen printing has its origin in simple stenciling by the Japanese, patented by Samuel Simon of England, and adopted by the Americans, who use it for multiple or multi-prints. It used negative copies of patterns to infuse different colors to one picture's design. Children, we will have our activity number 2. Our activity is leaf stencil. Materials needed: 1 piece of bond paper, 1 piece colored cartolina, pencil, a pair of scissors, watercolor, and paintbrush. Step number 1. Draw the desired design on a bond paper. Step number 2. Cut out the leaf design. Step 3. Place the cut-out leaf over a new piece of bond paper. Step 4. Color over the stencil pattern with crayons, marker, or watercolor. Number 5. Remove the leaf stencil. The resulting print is one that is called positive stencil printing. You may add details if you desire. Let's try to answer this. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. How does creating a leaf stencil enhance your understanding of the intricate patterns and details found in nature, prompting reflection on the beauty of the environment? 2. In what way does the process of designing and using a leaf stencil encourage you to explore your own artistic interpretation of nature, fostering a deeper connection with the natural world?
Thank you very much for watching my video. Hope that my video give you a lot of information about the topic, most especially in arts. Adios amigos!